In this quick video, I will show you how adjustment layer works in Premiere Pro. So let's create the adjustment layer. So go to project pan layer and right click here, select new item and adjust layer. Click OK. So now we have adjustment layer. So I need to drag it here in a timeline. So as you can see, this is only till here. So we can drag it till end so that whatever effects we apply on this layer, it will affect the below clips. So let's drag this till end. Now let's apply some effects. So I'll go to the material color and in creative and look, we'll choose something different like a turn up or bright intensity or increase. Now if you see, all the below clips have that light apply. If I drag this one, now you can see the difference if I drag outside of this. So you can see. Now let's apply some other effects. I'll go to distort and apply drop in displace. So here I'll reduce the distort amount. Okay. Good. So now you can see all the below layers are being affected with the distort command. So this way you can apply lots of effects here, and all the below layers, whether you have 20, 40, 60 clips, all will be affected with this. And in one go you can make changes here and it will be affected below all the clips. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed this, please leave a like and do subscribe if you have not, as I will be uploading more tutorials like this in coming episodes. See you in next one.